this is Sheree for Just Nailed It, and we're coming at you today with a manicure using charms by brcnailstipsxpieces.com. These are really super cute. They come in like, oh, there's 10 in here. There's like 4 snowflakes. There's 4, 7, maybe a little bit more. Maybe there's 12. But they're super, super cute. I lost my pouch that they came in, so I can't tell you the price off the top of my head. They're like $1 something, maybe $1 if that. Check out the website, brcnailstipsxpieces.com. But to the nails. As you can see, this nail is not the same as these. These are finished. This beautiful blue is B333 by Pugy. This is an American company of the sister company of Umik, which is the UK brand. This is this beautiful blue, and I'm just in love with it. Just in love with this blue. I took that, and then I took She Modern's Sparkle Blue Peacock Glitter Pixie. I burnished it in, which is what we're going to do here next. I am going to apply some She Modern stencil gel so that the pixie glitter will adhere to the nail. Make sure you give yourself a liberal coat. Pop it, whoops. Pop it in the lamp, give it. I'm going to tap me an amount out. Tap, tap, tap. I need more than that, just a little bit more. Tap, tap, tap. Burnish it in. Gonna tap it off then. Gonna pop her back in the lamp just for a few seconds. That way it adheres better into the glue, I say. Then I am going to do that one a quick little top coat. I do have a special body of top coat that I use just for glitters and such. So I'm going to put this on, give it a full cure. Just apply you a thin coat. You don't need a thick like a finishing top coat. Just trying to seal in the glitter. There we go. Going to give that one a full cure. On to the others. On to the others. First we're going to do our middle nail, which is the sticker. We're going to do this one right here, the light where it says Merry Christmas. We're going to do that on the middle nail. I had it all lifted, what happened? There we go. We're going to put that in the center of the nail. Rub that down nice and good. There. Merry Christmas. That nail is finito. Thumbnail is done and out of the lamp. Sorry about that. We are going to put charms on the index and ring finger, but now I'm going to top coat. That's what I'm going to hold them on with. to give them a nice top coat of your favorite brand. I am using Angel Beauty. And I think they have a really nice thick glossy top coat. Plus with 60 to 70% off, you can't beat the price. You can't beat the price at all. You can get 2 bottles for like $10. Alrighty, here we go. I get my wax picker upper. Oh yeah. I've got a pinched nerve issue going on and it is killing me. We're gonna, oops. Where did he go? Want to take Rudolph? Put, owie. I'll put Rudolph on one of the nails. Whoops. Now if I can get him to stay still without sliding, I'm going to take Santa's hat. On the other nail. And the snowflake or two. Sorry. Just gonna jinky up the whole mat here. I'm gonna get out my little flashlight because the hat does not seem to want to stay. And I don't feel like pulling out rhinestone glue. So I'm gonna give this a flash cure with the flashlight. Hopefully it'll stay in place. If not, I pull out the rhinestone glue. If not, let's keep our fingers crossed that this does work. Now I'm gonna put this in the lamp, give it a full cure. Let me get my reindeer in order now. I'm going to use another of these little snowflakes. But I want to be sure of the other side first. Alright. Now if I can just pick her up. Okay. Should be little mass. And then I want to straighten it out Rudolph. There we go. I'm going to flash cure him as well. Hopefully he will stay put. Owie. Please excuse me. I got the sciatic nerve going on. And it has come back with a vengeance. So let me give those a nice cure. I have got some Swarovski crystals that I want to add on. Ice sheet. Okay. Oh, I'm just going to put... Oh, sweet Jesus. Let me get almost. Let me do this. I want 3 on top of the nail. There we go. Just need to get 3 more. Shoot. Like I said, these are Swarovskis. These are real. I purchased these from a nail sister, Carla Sola. You can reach her on Instagram or in my comments. She's usually around. Oy vey. We'll just leave him right there for a second. Shoot. Flip that bad boy over. We got a slider. We get these 2 out of the lamp. I'm going to put these in there all together. So I'm going to pop these in, give these a full 60-second cure. And we'll be right back. Alrighty, we are back and on the lamp for the last and final time. I think this turned out really super cute. We got our Swarovskis just blinging. When the light hits them nice and bright. We have got our nail charms, the Santa hat, and the reindeer from BRC Nails, tipsxpieces.com, as well as the little snowflakes. My Merry Christmas came off a sticker from Amazon. You got like, I don't know if it was 10 or 20 sheets for under $10. It was really cool. But here today, oh, I can't talk. I forgot to tell you, I am a brand ambassador for BRC Nails, so please check out her website. Use my code at checkout, which is Sheree Baby, SHEREE, Baby 10. Save yourself 10% off your total bill. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think. I think these are really cute, and the Swarovskis, I think, just make it. Thank you, Carla. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Click all on the notification bell. That way you get notified of all future videos, all giveaways, and any important information I pass along. Until next time, have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.